And welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to introduce myself to you guys in a non-traditional way by showing you my bedroom, because I feel like I put a lot of effort in decorating it, because that really matters to me, like decoration and my bedroom and stuff. And I feel like you get to know a person a lot by going to their house and seeing how they styled it and what they have inside of it. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you like this type of video, and let's get right into it, shall we? So I tried to actually film this room tour for my Instagram, but the stories just got way too much. I'm not trying to brag and I'm not trying to show off or anything. I'm just trying to connect with you guys. So here is my bedroom. This is actually my apartment in Bragança, which is where I go to med school. And I have a bunch of stuff here as well, like pillows and stuffed animals, because I love stuffed animals. And then over here is my wardrobe, and it was built in when I moved here, which was like the selling point for me actually, and it's really big and nice. I also have this rug that is purple. Over here I have this little bin that I used to put my dirty clothes, because my bathroom is here. Let me show you quickly what my what my bathroom looks like. So this was all built in when I arrived, so I just took a shower, as you can see. And I have this little cat art that my mom got me like very long ago. And face towel, pink as always, and then toothbrush and stuff. And here is my towel rack, and it's pretty simple. And oh, and my bed also has these lights here, because I don't have headboard, so I just thought I'd make this cuter. And this painting over here I made when I was in design school, because I took a painting class and I actually painted this. And this one my mom got me for some Christmas, I don't remember which one. On this side is Cookie's bed, as you can see. And this bed is pretty simple. I actually want to get a new one for him, but this one does the job for now. Here I keep my jewelry. I actually love this nightstand so much. I got it at Stock, which is kind of like an IKEA for Brazil. So I actually chose these handles that are really shiny, and it has wheels on the bottom, so it's really easy to move around. And on top here there's a glass, and I keep my watches here, and this is where I keep my jewelry. Up here is a photo of me and my sister when we went to Disney. So this is actually not Disney. This is Discovery Cove. Here is a necklace holder, but I use it to put my headbands and hair accessories, because I love these and I wear them all the time. So I just have to keep them somewhere, you know, easy to grab and stuff. This actually is a stuffed animal that my boyfriend got me for Easter, but then my dog chewed on my stuffed animal, and I had to make like a little surgery to put this back here, and I'm just scared of putting it back with the others and him chewing all over again, so it's here to like safekeeping. I have this that is really interesting. My sister got me this. I'm not sure where, but as you can see, it's a cactus, and then you can put your earrings here. But it's just like, I just got back from home, so I took all of my earrings out, so I have to put them back here so it's easier to access. And I also have this container that is like heart-shaped that I got from Daiso to keep my lip products, so I have a bunch here. And then the second drawer is my makeup stuff. This is my tech drawer. I also have this repellent thing that you put in the power outlet, because sometimes when it's summer there are a lot of mosquitoes here, and I just can't sleep with them buzzing in my ears. And here is my pencil case collection. So as you can see, I have a bunch of fun pencil case, and this is kind of an obsession of mine. I have much more here, so if you guys are interested, I can make a video showing all of my collection in detail, like telling where I got them. Fun stuff. Oh, and I have this rug that I really love. I got here in Bragança, in like a local store, and it's like a fur and pink one, and I love pink in case you guys haven't noticed. And yeah. Oh, I keep my backpack here, and my backpack is the Kanken one. My dad got me this when he went to Spain, Spain last year, and I didn't go with them, so I just asked for this Kanken bag because I was really obsessed about it, and there's nowhere to buy this here in Brazil. So here's my chair. So this is an office chair that I got from Tokstok as well, and it's actually one of the cheapest ones that they have. But I was really surprised with the quality, and it's like really comfortable. It doesn't look amazing, but I love that it's like matching with my desk because I actually got them separately. This one I got used for like only 100 reais. And I put it in my trunk, and I drove all the way back here. But yeah, it matches my desk because it also has this like orange detail, and I used to love orange like a while back when I was like in 6th grade. It was like a thing. I used to have everything in orange, and my bedroom used to have like a whole wall that is like this, that was like this color. And yeah, oh, and as you can see here, I have 2 trash cans. I have this one because Cookie started going through my stuff here. So when I have anything that I think he might chew on, I throw here. But if it's like paper and stuff, I just put there. Oh, and down there, if you can see the PVC pipes there, it's actually something to film bullet journaling videos with, because you know, if you have the tripod, it doesn't go all the way 90 degrees, but with this contraption thing that I found like a DIY video on YouTube, you can like perfectly film like flat lays and stuff. So I just keep it down there because, you know, it's really huge and it fits perfectly under my desk. And it doesn't look like awesome, but I just keep it there. There is the screw for like the camera and stuff. I'm going to show you better. There. I just screw my camera here, and then I can film like any flat lay that I want. And then I have this, I don't know how to say it, but like this part of the desk that slides out, where I keep my new keyboard. I used to have like a really huge black one that has like the cord and stuff, and it used to look really ugly, so I got this one when I went back to school shopping. And I also got this mouse, and I have this Pug mouse pad that I really love. And then I keep this notebook here because this is all of my ideas and stuff. And my new iPad is here, and I love it to death. I'm in love with my iPad. It's the iPad 6. And yeah, I just keep it here just so it doesn't look as cluttered up here. And then my MacBook Air is going to live here permanently now, because I used to take it to college to take notes with it, but then the battery got really bad and it doesn't last like 2 hours without like the charger. So I got this stand here as well, so that it's more ergonomical when I sit down and study. I have my water bottle here that is actually so cute. So if you guys don't know Portuguese, you won't understand, but the imperative of focus in Portuguese is foca, which is the same as seal. It's like focus on your studies, but it's also like seal studying. So yeah, it's like a pun, huh? And it also has this slider thing where you can count how many bottles of water you already drank. And I have these here that are like my washi tapes. I have this little penguin figurine that my sister got me that is rose gold. I have a golden bunny here, and these are sticky notes, Shih Tzu sticky notes that my sister got me as well. I have all of my Stabilo fine liners and some pen 68 here, and here are my color pencils. I also have more washi tapes over here that is like easy to access because I do bullet journaling, so yeah, I just keep them here where I can grab them easily. And here is my vision board. I actually made this last semester. Over here I have a lamp that I also got from Talkstock. I also have this here that my boyfriend got me from Imaginary, and it's actually a humidifier as well, and you can actually put some scents here, but I didn't buy the scents. I really want to buy them, and there's a timer as well. And I have my two pencil cases here. I got this one when I went back to school shopping, and I'm in love with this. And this one is one from my collection. Over here is my set of drawers. So as you can see, my desk doesn't have any drawers at all, so I had to buy these, and I actually bought this for like 150 reais, which is like a steal. And this one was from Etna, which is also a Brazilian store. Here I have some decor. So I actually got this one from my recent travel to Campos de Jordão, and I have this fake cacti here. And my friend actually gave this to me, which is like a model of the human spine. And I love it because I love bones. I love bones. I don't know why, but I love bones. All of my step 1 books are here because I have to start studying again. Like I have to do this, guys. I'm like trying to postpone it. I'm procrastinating, but this semester I have to start studying for real, so I keep them here for easy access. I got this set of drawers at Daiso. I don't know if you guys saw it on my Instagram stories. If you don't follow me, go follow me. It's at docotoranddoodle, the same thing as the channel here, and I'm on the stories every day. I put my little notebooks here. I have these ones that are really cute. This is a Cícero, which is also a stationery brand from Brazil, and I love this because it's like an anatomical heart, and it has flowers, and it's dotted paper inside. This one is also dotted paper, and it's really adorable. This is also Cícero. And then down here I have like more of my utilitarian papers, like for studying stuff, and also this notebook I got for back to school. Then down here is my drawer of useful things, so like black pens and spare highlighters, glue, scissors, and all of that jazz is all here in the first drawer for easy access. The second drawer is one of my favorite because it houses all of my pens, or like most of them. Here are my tumble brushes. I have a bunch of them, and these are my assorted other brands. So I have Ecoline, Koi brushes. So yeah, all of my other brands are here. So all of my brush pens are in this container. And if you guys want a video of me showing all of my brush pen collections, let me know. I can totally do that because, as you can see, I have a ton of them and I don't have the time to go through all of them here. So yeah, this here is my alcohol-based pens. I got this for back to school. This is Beaky, but I also have some Copic ones, as you can see from the Copic ink here, and other cheaper alternatives here. And these are Posca-like pens, so they're permanent markers. And I actually have much more Posca pens, but I forgot them back in São Paulo, so I'm going back there this weekend, so I have to get those. These are all my sticker sheets. As you can see, I have a bunch because I do bullet journaling, so yeah, they're really useful. All of my cute post-its are here as well. As you can see, I have like a shit ton of them, and I love them to death. I collect them. I love them. I use them all the time. And then my normal post-it notes are here. And I also have more stickers here. Then this drawer is the random drawer. I feel like all of us have that drawer in our lives. So this is all the things that didn't actually find a place to live. So I just put them all together. I have these 2 containers that are from Daiso. But as you can see, it's like just random stuff. And then the pens I use to ink my drawings, and some gum here so that I don't fall asleep when I'm studying. Then here are my art stuff. So I have these color pencils, I have my gouache here, and then I have my cheap watercolor here, and then I have a palette here, like I don't remember the name, but where you mix the colors here. I have this tiny hair dryer for when I'm doing watercolor, because I am impatient as hell, so I don't have time to wait for the ink to dry, so I just use that. And then some brushes over here. And then the last drawer is my flashcard drawer. As you can see, I have a shit ton of flashcards here. And yeah, I think that's basically it. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this type of video, and if you want to see more of study tips, productivity tips, and stationery hauls and stuff. And yeah, don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. It's at docotoranddoodle, and I'm there every day on stories, and like I post at least 3 times a week. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!